Hi friends, what's up? This is Dr. from 360 Leader. It's time to talk about the 5 best tips and tricks to fix Face ID not working on iPhone and iPad. Face ID is a robust biometric authentication mechanism. Aside from offering the enhanced security, it works like a charm, allowing you to authenticate your identity seamlessly on your iPhone and iPad. However, it can't claim to be perfect and has a history of ill functioning out of the blue. For this very reason, I thought it would be cool to talk about some of the best tips and tricks to fix the Face ID issues on iPhone and iPad. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, I will recommend you to refresh the Face ID as many a time it can let you resolve the Face ID problems on your iPhone and iPad. To do so, head over to the Settings app, then scroll down and select Face ID and Passcode. Under the Use for Face ID section, turn off all the toggles. After that, restart your device and then turn on all these toggles. Now try to use Face ID to check whether you have fixed the problem. If you have, then you are good to go. Next up, I will recommend you to use Face ID in the portrait orientation on your iPhone. Keep in mind that only the latest iPhone models support Face ID in the landscape orientation. If you're using an older iPhone models like iPhone 10 or iPhone XS, you will need to hold your iPhone in the portrait orientation while using Face ID. Next up, I would recommend you to update all the problematic apps. If Face ID is not working inside specific apps, make sure to update them all. There is a high possibility that the outdated version of the apps are unable to get along with the biometric authentication. To do so, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Then tap on your profile. After that, scroll down and then update all the apps. Then open the respective apps and then ensure that Face ID is enabled. Then I would suggest you to reset Face ID on your iPhone or iPad. On numerous occasions, I have managed to fix the Face ID issues by just resetting it and setting it up from scratch. To get it done, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then scroll down and select Face ID and Passcode. Then tap on Reset Face ID and then set up Face ID from scratch. And finally, I would recommend you to update your iPhone or iPad, as there is a high chance that this problem could be due to a software bug. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then select General. Then tap on Software Update, and finally download and install the latest iteration of iOS or iPadOS. And that is all there is to it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix Face ID not working on iPhone and iPad. Hopefully you have managed to fix the problem and Face ID has started to work as usual. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.